Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to explain the correct way to write using color gradients. Meaning, I write using a color gradient without changing the font, so I keep the font or the text as it is, in case I want to make a change. Alright, let's get started together. First of all, I use 2019. Of course, this method works for any version. Let's start together. Here, I've written any sentence or any word, for example, your role. I go here and set the fill to none, alright? Then I select the sentence or the word. Go to Window. I choose this one. Alright, I drag it over here so I can control it better. I drag it down. Now I go here to add new fill, I click on it and it comes back to me. The color is applied to the word. But now what do? I choose the color gradient I want, exactly as we see here. And now I can write, change, or do whatever I want. I want to buy this famous sentence. So this was the correct way to write with a color gradient while keeping the text intact. I hope everyone benefited from the explanation. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.